Hello YouTube, this is Zanrith, and I got Heather behind me, and her camera's on too. Okay. And today's gonna be a day of first, because I don't even know if we're gonna be able to use this video. It's the first day in a while that we're gonna be able to get to go to Hebelers. And Hebelers is having a barbecue, so we're going up there. We're gonna be able to look at all the cool toys. Another first is that I've got a new microphone in this helmet. I got the Purple Panda. I looked on a couple websites saying this is the best, and then what's his name? Chase on Two Wheels. He uses this one, so I figured let's give it a shot. Only difference between his and mine is I don't have the newer GoPro with the audio pack, so my audio may not be the greatest. But for now, we're gonna have to deal with it. And another first is I'm making a video on the bike again. So I'm on the ZX-6R, Heather's on the Ninja 650, and we're just cruising on the highway for now for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna get on another highway, then another highway, and then get our butts up to Hebelers, eat some barbecue, and possibly meet up with some of you guys, or girls, or non-binary animal/human creatures, whatever you want to call you. Because I randomly posted today that, hey, if anyone wants to ride, we're gonna have a little meetup at Hebelers. We'll ride out to a couple places. I know it was last minute. Literally, it was supposed to rain all day, and I looked at the radar, and it was clear. So if you guys missed it, sorry, it was a last minute thing. But if you're in the area and you wanted to ride with me today, and you didn't see it on Instagram or Facebook, you should probably follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because that'll be the easiest. And if I do a big ride out or a big group meet, we'll obviously post something on here with preliminary stuff or whatever to give you guys a heads up. But what's up, dude? Your Gixxer. But we really don't have anything we need to get at Hebelers. We're gonna go look at stuff, see what they got on sale, talk with the guys up there, because we've bought enough stuff up there that we know them by name and they know us by bike and name. So, oh, and I gotta show them the bike, because last time I was up there was like, well, right when COVID started, the beginning of the spring, and I put a bunch of things on the bike, and they wanted to hear the exhaust, and they just want to see the bikes now that we've done a bunch of upgrades to them to see what they look like. So should be exciting if they got free time. So I want to say it's Parker's Pit Barbecue, I think is what it said was the barbecue company that's out there. They're out of northeast of Lockport. I want to say like Middleport or something, New York. So I've never been up that far. I don't think Heather has either, but nope, she said nope. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. That's Heather through our new, oh, and first time you guys are hearing us on our Senna 50S's. We're gonna do a little review video of those just to make sure we're good. Just watch these cars. I don't like merging onto highways like this, but I know, but still, I don't like. A lot of people get on and they immediately want to change over lanes, so I just want to get out in front of them. What the f***? Open your eyes! You fucking use them? Come on! Pay attention! For f***'s sakes. Oh. God damn it, people. Look, turn your heads. Look. Crap. I know. I think the engine's louder than the horn. Yeah. I know. Wow, it's just like, all you gotta do is turn your head and look. Like, it's not that hard of something to do. And I didn't even see a turn signal until I noticed her wheels were in my lane. So, and she's taken off now because she knows she's in the wrong. Look at her. We were passing her, and now she's gone. But she didn't even put her hand up. She didn't do anything. She just kind of looked at me in the rear view, and then that was it. Oh. And there we are, YouTube. We are at Hebelers. Get the bikes parked, get some food, check out what's going on inside. Maybe someone will show up. Looks like we're the only bikes here right now, so you need to push. It's a little uphill. You got it, you got it, you got it. Sweet. So we'll get back to you guys when we go on our ride later, if anyone shows up. If not, we'll just talk to you that no one showed up and we didn't go on a ride. Catch you after food. Yeah, we'll go on a ride by ourselves. We'll go for a ride somewhere. We'll go for a ride. Go for it. So, like I keep saying, catch you later. Bye. Well, YouTube, we just left Hebelers after having some barbecue, looking at all the stuff, ordering some parts. Barbecue is really good. Never had Parker's Pit before, but I had ribs. Heather had pulled pork, had some sides. It's pretty good. I like to go to their restaurant. I think they have an actual restaurant, not just catering. And actually try it some out there because that's normally better. Let's make a left. Oh yeah, they had some huge nachos. We didn't get those, but we should have. Yeah, we could have. There's a lot of food in those nachos. They were the cheapest thing on the menu too, so. But whatever, next time. So, as this was a surprise group ride, surprise, it's just two of us. Oh yeah, it did rain a bit. It did rain a bit. So you guys that didn't want to tough it out, who are actually going to watch this, which will be like 3 of you, I get it. No, trust me, I get it. I wouldn't want to ride in the rain either, because God forbid we get a little wet. No. No, I'm just harassing everybody. No, you know, last minute stuff. I'm not huge, so didn't imagine a lot of people saw it, so whatever. When I do actually decide to do a group ride or something, we'll send out something on, we'll say something up on YouTube first when we set a date, and then we'll do the event on Facebook and all that stuff. So keep in touch. We want to do something. We just, you know, I've been kind of doing our social distancing thing, just staying away from everyone and everything, so whatever. So we're gonna go for a ride anyways because we can, and we're gonna head up to Olcott. We gotta figure out how to get. I gotta figure out how to get over to Transit. Actually, I think if we take Campbell up into Lockport, like this road we're on up into Lockport, and then make a right, then a left will be on Transit. So yeah, we'll just adventure. We'll figure it out.